Hollow turtle.
If you are watching this video, it means Silksong has just come out and you want to have a miniature to accompany you during your Hollow Knight gaming sessions. So let's do it! But there are few things that you will need to follow this. We will need air drying clay, aluminium wire, aluminium foil, some paints and brushes, and maybe a reference photo of Hornet. So the first thing is going to be making an armature out of our aluminium wire. What is it, you ask? It is a skeleton of your miniature. It's the basic thing that everything else will resolve around. It will support the clay and keep your miniature stable. The second step, we want to bulk up the shapes with foil. So just wrap the aluminium foil around the wires. Okay, with our pose and basic shapes established, let's not start working with clay and just cover everything with it. It can be messy, it is just the first step to look at what you are creating and later you can still refine it. We now have the shape, so let's now start working on a detail, for example a head. Hornet has a very distinct looking head with two horns, which makes sense. So let's just try to sculpt it. And then when you are happy with it, start refining it, smoothing out the edges. We have the head, so it is time to cover the body. I think everyone remembers how the Hornet looks like, but if you do not, she has a very distinct looking cape. What you want to do is to roll a thin sheet of clay and then drape it over the miniature so it would look like a cape in motion. If you want, you can add a nail, so grab another piece of wire, cover it with clay, and it is done. And you can add some stones, some rocks to the base, so the miniature would be secured in place and it would also look very distinct. And heavy base means it won't be that likely to fall over. Okay, and now we just wait for the clay to dry. And once dry, just paint it with your paints. But if you want to go fancy with it, you can add some highlights, you can use some dark washes. Let's take a look at the final result.